Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a tour through the Harborview Shopping Center or the Harborview Plaza because they are renovating the plaza. So if you look on the right, you can see that these stores have been renovated already, and then straight ahead those stores have been renovated. So one major piece is left in the renovation, and that is to rebuild the supermarket. Now it's a Shoppers Fair supermarket that's down here, and we're going to show you what's going on. They have demolished the building that the supermarket was in, and they're going to rebuild it. So on the left you see a sign, Mini Shoppers Fair. That is just a temporary location that the supermarket is occupying until the new building has been built. Now we also have drone footage of this construction site, so you can check it out on the channel as well. But we're going to show you, this is where the Shoppers Fair supermarket used to be. And this is what is left of the supermarket. They have totally demolished the building. We're not going to go inside because it's a construction site, but we just wanted to show you. Actually, what we're going to do is put up a picture of what used to be there before so you can see. But this is a very successful plaza in Jamaica. Very busy plaza, one of the top plazas. And it follows the formula, you know. You need three things: to build a supermarket to build a plaza in a populated area. You need a name brand supermarket, and you need food stores. Once you have those three things, you're going to have a successful plaza in Jamaica. So the supermarket here is Shoppers Fair. This plaza is built in Harborview, which is one of the largest communities in Jamaica. And it also serves areas such as Buff Bay, on the way to St. Thomas, back into Kingston. It's a very popular plaza. But it also has food stores. Now, it has KFC, which is by itself would be enough to bring a crowd to the plaza, but it also has Burger King, Tasty Patties, and Pizza Hut. So it's a very successful plaza, and this gate is actually new. They just put it in. It's part of the renovation. Okay, so the plaza actually has two sides. So the side we're coming from is where the supermarket is and some stores, and then this side now you have the gas station along with the food stores. So here is the Burger King on the right. And this side of the plaza has been renovated already. The construction over here has finished. I think the only part left would be probably the gate, one of the gates, and the rebuilding of the supermarket. So that's KFC on the left, and Pizza Hut on the right, and then coming down here now is Tasty Patties. So very successful plaza, and they have actually renovated it at the right time because the Southern Coastal Highway is being built, and it starts in Harborview and goes all the way to Portland, and that highway is going to bring a lot more traffic to the eastern part of Jamaica. So with this plaza strategically located right here in Harborview, it's literally 30 seconds away from where the highway starts. So that's a good reason. Maybe that is the reason why they chose to renovate the plaza now. And also, when you come in from the airport, this is the first plaza you're going to come upon, the first basically food stores that you're going to, food restaurants you're going to come across outside of those that are at the airport. I'm not sure if the restaurants on the outside of the airport are still open. I know you have restaurants or food stores inside the airport, but like when you arrive to Jamaica, this might be the first place you can get a meal. So this is a Total gas station, and this area is so busy that they have two Total gas stations right beside each other. On the other side of the KFC is another gas station. Okay, so this is a nice view of the Burger King, and the Burger King just opened a few weeks ago. There you have a sign that still says now open. There's a KFC. And straight ahead is the Harborview roundabout, and one side of the roundabout takes you to the St. Thomas area, another side takes you onto the Palisades Strip that will take you to the airport, and another side takes you to Kingston, and another side takes you into the Harborview area. So you really have to love the progress that's going on. Harborview is really picking up, and it's going to get even busier when they open the highway. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.